What's up guys, this is Pranay here and I'm the co-founder of the brand Yumi. We are one of India's leading travel luggage and accessories brand and I'm here to tell you a little bit about us. You must be wondering why Yumi? Because it's about you and me. It's about the journey you have with your luggage or with your loved ones. You've got my back. And I'm here to unbox one of our best-selling products with you, the aluminium cabin luggage. Alright, let's do this. So we're going to start by unboxing the aluminium cabin trolley just to show you the entire experience of the unboxing and what we're trying to create for you. We have a very good and premium long-lasting dust bag to ensure that your bag always stays unharmed even when it's not traveling. When you open the bag, you'll see that we have these premium protectors here to ensure that in transit, your bag is safe and sound. First impression, super premium. As you can see, this is made of 100% anodized aluminium to ensure it gives that build to last effect. You must be wondering why aluminium. As a traveler, I always wanted to be spotted, even from 100 meters away. And we thought, this is it. As you can tell, this bag will steal attention everywhere you go. And that's something that I really liked when I was traveling. And you know what? We've got the basics covered too. Maybe even more. Okay, let's dive into the basics a bit. As a traveler, have you ever experienced any issues with your luggage? I for sure have. And there were a few things that always stood out. When we were making our luggage, we wanted to ensure our travelers or our customers never had to go through the same problems again. First, the wheels. Wheels have been an integral part of any travel luggage. When you get off the plane, you don't want people to stare at you because of your noisy, lousy wheels, right? And when you're really traveling across those uneven floorings or those bad carpets, do you really want to feel like you're carrying a lot of load? No, right? That's what I felt too. And I wanted to ensure that my customers never had to go through that again. That's why we did a lot of R&D and ensured that we got a really good set of wheels. These wheels 360 have been labeled SilentRun by us because they are what they stand for. They run and they're silent. The second pain point of any travel journey are the locks. You always want to ensure that you're secure, right? You don't want your belongings to go missing halfway through your journey, and we wanted to ensure we didn't compromise on that. We've ensured that every single bag of ours has TSA-approved locks, so your travel is always secure and easy. Have you had one of those experiences where after stuffing your bag with way too many things, you've had a problem closing your bag? Well, with this one, you're not going to have that issue. This bag is completely zipperless and ensures it closes as easy as it opens. Now, let's see what's this bag got in store for you. And trust me, we have a few surprises. Firstly, every bag comes with customized tags. So if you choose, you can get your name and personalize your own luggage. That's pretty cool, right? Apart from that, we've tried to understand pain points of every traveler. Have you had one of those days where you're going for an important meeting or going for a wedding and you have to reach your hotel and then ask them to iron your clothes because your bag's been a little messy with your clothes and they've all wrinkled out? That's not going to be an issue with this one. Being an engineer, I wanted to ensure that we create such a strong compression system that your clothes never moved while they were inside. Check this out. We've created a compression system where after you've put your clothes in, you can basically lock the bag in a way that your clothes never move. You can tumble it, you can throw it around and your clothes will stay intact. And that's the power and beauty of this system. And this bag has been crafted with peat skin fabric to ensure you get that same fuzzy and new feeling every time you open it. Because I'm sure you don't want it to smell or feel weird if you open it after 1 month, 6 months, or 2 years. And we've tried to compartmentalize this bag to its optimal usage by ensuring that the compression pad is 2-in-1, having a quick access pocket so you can store all your essentials here and get them whenever you wish. And the features don't end there. We have a multi-level locking trolley handle to ensure that our customers can lock at their desired height. More than that, we have a super strong and sturdy handle on both sides of the bag to ensure that carrying a bag is easier than ever before. And if you ever want to shop while you're on the go, we have these hooks here to ensure that they can hold your shopping bags for you. Because at the end of the day, our aim is to make your travel hands-free. So, Final thoughts on the bag, guys. It looks and feels premium. It has a really strong and safe security system, and it can literally take a beating. Watch this space for more. Like, share, and subscribe to the Yumi channel. See you in the next one.